much time we can save doing this. It does not matter whether you have 5,000 employees or 10,000 employees. The pay slips can be created within 10 seconds. You see what I mean? Follow me now. Let's move on and see how best we can do. Yeah. Remember, we are in the 21st century. We don't have to waste time for calculating things which are not even worth. Okay, we need to put our energy in areas which are actually so critical for us, not areas like payroll. These areas are just straightforward. You don't have to waste much time on that one. Okay, so as usual, here, instead of using payroll login, I will need to use my admin because I wanted to command everything. Also, some other things which I have to control. I'll log in here with my password 2020 there. Use the same COM port here. Okay. Okay, main stores there, or the branch name or company name, whichever it is. When it reaches 100%, and check if the clock is running, then I'm ready to go. Okay, so now I go under salaries. That's where we do our payroll. So employee, first I need employees data creation there. Okay, let's see, say tab here. Okay, which department? Yeah, maybe accounts. Yeah, okay. Join date, this guy, when did he join? Let's say he joined in January. Okay, this first employee joined in January, and the date of birth, this guy could have been born maybe 1972. Okay, all right. If you don't want to do that, you simply say 20 December. Okay, 1972. Okay, fine. That's okay. What's his name? Chris Jones. Nikira's name Jones. Okay, right? Okay, staff number 001. Okay, job title finance manager. Finance manager. Okay, yeah. What is the social security? Maybe it's like this. Okay. Okay, like this, social security. All right. Then NRC, maybe something like this. Okay, stroke Y, whatever it is, I don't know, something maybe like that to help. Okay, payment method, bank. Bank name is, yeah, like this. Maybe that's the bank name. Then account number. Okay, that's the account number. Payment method is a transfer. Okay, transfer. Okay, status, this person is still open. Okay, then does this guy enjoy gratuity? If this guy is paid gratuity, we need to make sure that we put the gratuity. What is the percentage? Maybe the gratuity percentage is 10%. Okay, yeah, all right. Now, what about the national health insurance account number? Okay, maybe his account number is like this. Okay, yeah. We are done. We need all these parameters. Then save. Yeah. All right. So now, since we have created the employee, now we needed to assign the salary. All right. So now you go under salary data there. All right. Okay. What is salary? What is that employee? You select the employee there. Then you tab here. Okay. Change date. We could have changed in January. First day of the month. Let's say his salary maybe basic is 10,000, housing 5,000, transport is given a car, he doesn't need the transport. Then lunch allowance maybe is given 3,000, yeah, like that. Okay, so we add. Simply add the record here. That's it. We are done. Close here, now here. Now we need to check whether the NAPSA ceiling is there. Yes, we have the 5% and 1159 there, which is acceptable for this year. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now we need to check whether the tax tables are also there. Very important. You cannot process payroll without tax tables. Yes, the tax tables for 2021 are all there. Okay, you cross there. Okay, now let's run the payroll. We are done. So let's see how, because this information is only entered once. So running the payroll is just every month. So let's say this is the month end of January. We need to run the payroll. You go under payslip creation. So when you check here, all right, there is nothing here because we haven't yet done anything. So now all you need to do is you come here where it says select the month to run. We want to run the payslip for January. So you go to 31 January and select 31 January and the row over here. Okay? Yeah, you are done. There is nothing that is remaining. As you can see now, we have Chris Jones there. Okay? It's done already. So if this guy has any other income, we can put it there. If this guy maybe got an advance, or if there was overtime, we'll put overtime there. Hours, not everything. So now let's say maybe he has a staff loan of maybe 5,000 deduction. You put it there. That's all. Then he said, that's it. We are done. Yeah. The only thing which we need to do is to print a payslip. See? So we go there, print a payslip for this guy. All right. Payslip printing here. All right. Oh, see in January. Remember, it's January which we are still dealing with. Okay. Yeah. January here. All right. So 31 January, you select there up to 31 January. Then Chris Jones. Yeah. So to Chris Jones. Okay. Then that one falls in under accounts. If you don't know, you can just query all the departments here. Okay. Yeah. Maybe marketing there. Okay. Preview. That's all. Yeah. The payslip will pop up anytime from now. Yeah. Okay. Once the payslip pops up, then you can print it. Then we move on. Yeah. Then that's it. This is the payslip for this guy. Yeah. As you can see. Yeah. The deduction is where? Here. Staff loan. The payers UN, NAPSA, National Health Insurance, which is 1% of 10%, 10,000 there. Everything is there. Yeah. As you can see, I remember if you remember, I said gratuity. This one pays how much? Is paid 10%. 10% of the basic here is 1,000 there. Okay. Yeah. Then in NAPSA year to date, it's there as well. Everything is there. Brief evaluation, 2 days is there. Yeah. So that's it. The payroll is finished for the month. So if you want to pay statutory obligations here, let's see. Oh yeah, the other one is maybe national health insurance. How does it look like? You pay it there. Oh, for January. Okay. All right. January there. Up to 31 January. These are just statutory obligation reports now, which I'm printing now, so that you're able to see how they look like. Yeah, these are very straightforward. There is literally nothing to do. You don't need an accountant to do all these things because everything is happening on their own. As you can see, 1% of that employer, 1% employee, 1%, 200 payable to NIMA. Okay, close there. Okay, now the other one we go to pay as you earn. Okay, pay as you earn as well. We'll do the same. Yeah, 1st January to where we are. Yeah, there's literally nothing. if you want, you can import, export these things to Excel, the reports, everything is there. Word, PDF, whatever, etc., etc. That's it. There we are. Yeah. So you have your pay coming through there. Okay. This is our pay. The same 4,992, which was showing there, is coming through here. Yeah. You put it to export to Excel, you come here, you can see you have Excel there, Word, text, PDF. Yeah, so no problem. Yeah, you can do everything here. So we have that one. We check also what is the other one. The other application is, I think, NAPSA. Yeah, NAPSA here, right? Again, you come here, right? Yeah, right? Okay, for January, I'm querying it for January only. Yeah, because that's the month of January anyway. Yeah. So 5% each, employer 5% of the gross. Yeah, as long as it doesn't exceed what's that? So there it is. So employer pays 900 and the employee pays 900 because 900 is below 1158. So 18 goes to NAPS. Straightforward. Everything is there. So you don't have to do, you just export this into Excel and submit. All this format is as per NAPS. There is nothing wrong. Yeah. Okay. So what about February? Now we need to run February. What happens here? You simply come here where it says month end closure. You close the month of January. Okay. You select here month to close. So we are saying, okay, month to close is February, is January, sorry. January, all right. We are closing January to 31 January. Okay. Then here select close. Okay. Month end to close. Right. The month end posting successive. So you say okay. January means it is closed. So now when I come to pay slip creation here, I'll find that here there is nothing. The month is closed, but it tells me to say the last month which was closed is the 1 January. So now I want to create February. Okay, I want to run the payroll for February. Okay, I'll select 28 February and the row over here. That's it. Yeah, so I have all the pay slips again created for February. Yeah, so maybe here this guy this time around, okay, he could have worked for overtime. So I will select that one. You see, it brings me the date of February there. Now I'll go under overtime here. Okay, maybe this guy enjoys the overtime here. So I will say, okay, maybe here 5 hours. Here you could have worked for 20 hours. Okay, yeah. Now there is one thing which we should know, people. Yeah, this guy, okay, national health insurance comes automatic, and also here leave days is automatic. Okay, because these are obligations. Yeah. So after doing that, if there is no other deductions which I'm supposed to do, if there's no gratuity, it doesn't need gratuity to be paid gratuity for this month, you leave it, all these you leave it off. So you save, that's it, we are done. Yeah. The only issue which you need to do is just push in the deductions there and also some other inputs. Yeah. So January, February is also done. I can come here and view my pay slip here. You don't have to start battering with the payroll. It's nothing. There is nothing there to be done. Yeah, you delegate the payroll to the receptionist so that they have more work to do as well, at least, or is it an entertainment? Because there is nothing, you can't give it to an accountant for nothing. This is just wasting their time. There's no need for them to do all these kind of things. Okay, you preview there, you see your pay slip, you will be able to see the overtime which we have put there as well. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. As you can see, the overtime is now coming through here. Okay. No deduction because there was nothing. You see, everything is there. So this is how simple this payslip thing is. A ZICA payroll thing. Yeah. You can see here. The free pay is 8,000 now because we are in month 2. Everything. Yeah. Verified valuation cumulative is there. NAPSA cumulative is there. Gratuity cumulative, if you remember, it was 1,000 their last month. This time around, it has come to 2,000. Straightforward, people. Let's move. Let's not waste the time over nothing. Yeah. Okay. Now, what happens when this guy, we have decided to say, nah, I think even if we give him a car, but I think he will require a bit of transport. Sometimes you will have a breakdown. If that is the case, then we need to amend the salary data here. Okay, amending salary data does not mean it will affect prior months. No, the prior months will remain. So this time around, let's say we have decided to give him maybe 3,000. Okay, for that, but also here we have decided to reduce this one to make it maybe 3,500. Okay, let's let's make even here maybe we have decided to make it to 12. Okay, yeah. So now here maybe here we have decided to make it 2,500. Okay. Then we simply say next. Okay. Yeah, then close. That's it. Now, when we go on to the other page, it will not affect anything. It will only affect the current month which we are going to run. Okay. Let's say now we do March. Okay. March. Okay. Create page for March. So you can see the last month which we did was February. So now I want March to run for March. I'll select that one. All right. Then from there, I will say roll over. That's it. Okay. March is already created. The next thing which I need to do now, yeah. If we, oh, now as you can see, there are two names here because I forgot to close February. Now, you don't need to worry. So all I need to do is this thing is properly secured. I'll need to go there and close February. No problem. It won't affect anything. Even if I forgot to close February, nothing is going to be affected. So I'll simply say, come here and closing my February here. Okay, 1st February up to 28. Oh, it says please select region. Oh, okay. This month is not yet closed. It's not closed because I didn't select close. So I'll simply close now. It's successive. So now when I go back there, okay, and select create payslip, then I'll find that now it's okay. Yeah, I have my March. March is there. So that's it. So now I can print the payslip for this guy for March. Or what I'll do this. Where is the payslip for March? Now see that now we are going to have transport for this guy for March because he's now there. Yeah. But if we go to February, you won't find it. I'll show you. No problem. Yeah. So now we come here and select okay, all the department there. Okay. Let's see what happens. How my payslip looks like for March. Yeah. There we are. As you can see, we have now transport allowance coming through. Everything coming through. Yeah. Now, you see, and now this free tax has gone to 12,000. Everything is there. This has also changed because of the changes which I've made here. Okay. You see 10% of 12,000. No wonder it's now 3 to. Yeah, very straightforward. Okay. That's why I was saying it doesn't affect the prior months. So now, if you want to print the prior month payslip, no problem. You can still go back and see now that nothing is actually disturbed. So we can even print, let's say February. Okay, let's say January. Okay, for argument's sake, January. Let's see how it looks like. Whether January is affected by the change which we have made, which should not be the case. Yeah, for this guy. Very, very simple way of doing things. We don't have to waste the time over nothing. Preview there. That's it. We are almost done with this. Yeah, there we are. As you can see, January still remains the way it is. Yeah, everything. So everything is straightforward for this. Well, I think people, this is where we end with the payrolls processing, automatic processing. Yeah, it helps you a lot if you have so many employees and you don't want to waste much time. CA Premier is the answer because it makes life easier for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video was prepared by Christopher Hankwembo, fellow chartered certified accountant, fellow member of the Zambia Institute of Chartered Accountant, Zambia, and also certified internal auditor. I hold also a Bachelor of Science degree in applied accounting. Yeah.